What's up, TikTok? We're gonna be painting some punk leather jackets. I got a couple leather jackets pretty cheap off of Poshmark. I have some white leather paint. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start blocking out the border of the jacket as well as the arms and the back panel. I'm gonna do this so when I add on color, I can really make it pop. Bonus, you could doodle some cool words and make it more punky. Follow for the next videos. We're gonna be adding detail and studs. Now that the white paint is dried, I laid down some color. Now we can make some tiger stripes. I have a long, soft brush. Using the brush pressure, I can kind of change the width of the spikes for the stripes. Make sure you point them all in the same direction and make them parallel. Repeat this all the way down. Check it. Let's make some cheetah print. When doing cheetah print, I like to use 3 colors. I like to have a background color, a spot color, and then I use black to define the spots. Cheetah print is pretty easy. Again, this is all brush control. Cheetah print is made up of C's and U's and O's. What you want to do is you want to have really thick edges and thin lines to connect the edges. You just got to repeat this. Make some of varying sizes, space them out. Okay, now that we got our jacket painted, I'm going to paint an eyeball on the back. Using sidewalk chalk, I can sketch out my image. This is one of the best ways to get an image on leather without permanently ruining it. Using standard leather paint, I can go ahead and paint the image as an eyeball. I'm gonna freehand this. Hopefully I don't doink it up. Check it out. All right, finally, now we get to add some studs. I have some safety pins, studs, and spikes. Down the cheetah print, I'm gonna lay down a bunch of safety pins. I'm gonna stud out the collar of the jacket, and I'm gonna add some spikes on the shoulders. Check it out. Now it's time to rock this bad thing.